In this video, I want to show you how to use Consolidate function in Excel. Consolidate function is very useful when you want to summarize your data in Excel. For example, in this exercise, we want to look at digitization of buildings in Okenwe, Kogi State. This is the date when the digitization was done, and this is the GIS enumerators that carry out the digitization. Here we can see the number of buildings digitized by each enumerators. Now, if we want to know total number of buildings digitized by each enumerators, this is where consolidate functions is very useful in this data summary exercise. Now, let's assume we are to calculate the total buildings digitized by each GIS enumerator and the amount to be paid at 1 naira 50 kobo per building. To do this, we will use the consolidation function of Excel. To do this, we have to generate consolidated report for the enumeration. So place your console at appropriate cell, then come to data. Then here you will see consolidate. Click on consolidate, and in these functions you can see the default is sum, and you can choose others such as count, average, maximum, minimum, but we are going with sum. So here, which is reference, you need to select the appropriate cells. Click here, then come and select the appropriate column here. So after selection, click on add. You can see it has been added to this very table. Then check this top left row and left column. Then click on OK. You can see that it has created the number of buildings digitized by each enumerators. So for each of the enumerators, this is the total number of buildings digitized for that very particular day. So now we want to calculate the amount that each enumerator will be paid based on the number of buildings digitized for that day. For the payment, it is given that for each building, the enumerators will be paid 1 naira 50 kobo. To calculate the payment receipt that will be paid to each enumerators, we are given that each building digitized will be paid at 1 naira 50 kobo. Therefore, come here is equals to this column, the number of total building digitized, multiplied by 1.5. Click enter. So just drag and drop. You can see the total number of money that will be paid to each enumerator for the work done for that day. So this is how to use consolidate function in Excel to summarize your data. I hope this video is helpful to someone. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.